What is up, guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to one of the final episodes of the custom Tuono series. You know the drill, we're customizing this Aprilia Tuono. We're giving it away when we're done. We only have a few episodes left. If you'd like to be entered to win this bike, check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. Today we're going to be adding more carbon. Yes, you heard that correctly. More carbon. Technically we're going to be swapping carbon pieces for matte carbon instead of glossy carbon. We saw the last episode. But and then we should finally be able to put this freaking bike back together. Also, Christina just put an insane exhaust on this car. I'll give you a little bit of a taste, but you'll have to go to her video once it's released to actually hear that entire thing. So give him a little taste, teens.
Give him a little taste?
Just a little taste.
Just a little?
Yeah. Oh my god.
With me.
Yeah, you can also win this car, so check out Christina Customs if you're interested in that. Campisi Customs for bikes. Let's head over to the Ducati dealer and get started. Alright, we have arrived at Santa Barbara Ducati, our favorite Ducati shop in the whole wide world. And today we're going to be swapping some carbon pieces. So what we decided to do is change the matte carbon frame and swing arm covers. Christina Khalil, she'll be here all day, guys. We're going to change the glossy carbon pieces for matte carbon pieces because I just want them to disappear, and I want it to be more focused on the custom paint scheme and the other Illenberger carbon pieces instead of that. So that's what we're going to do today. Hopefully it looks good, because if it doesn't, I'm going to shoot myself. Stay tuned. And then the other thing that we got is carbon case covers, engine case covers, and what is that, clutch cover? No, I'm sorry, this is the clutch.
No, that's the clutch.
We got clutch cover and engine case cover for the other side in carbon, because I just think plastic next to carbon just doesn't look right anymore. So we're gonna do that as well. There it is. Okay, sweet. It's gonna be sweet. And it'll work as crash protection too. Plus we'll get to take this huge piece off, I think. So it'll save a lot of weight as well. But I'll keep this for the new owner if they want to use that. But for looks wise, it's going to look a lot better without it. Alright, Teens is doing the work today. We replaced Brian. She's going to put the whole bike back together too. It's going to be awesome. Brian already literally...
Well, this was not very well put on.
Brian removed all of this stuff before we...
The fact that it took me one pull is not...
No.
Very
No.
I'm kidding.
We're just roasting Brian. We roast Brian just to see if he watches our vids or not. So far, we've gotten no response from him. Look at him. He's like, I got shit to do, Jaret.
Talk shit while they're here.
Yeah, he does. So these are coming off, guys. Going bye-bye. I think I'll hold on to them, I guess, in case the new owner prefers the glossy ones. So in the meantime, while I was gone, Brian fabricated a mount. He still has to finish painting this and cleaning it up, but he fabricated a mount here for the master cylinder, and he used a clear line right there. Look at how sick that looks, guys. Completely custom. It looks absolutely stunning with the RCS 17 Brembo Master. Oh boys, we got brake power. We officially have brakes. So now the lines are plugged in. The nickel plated calipers are in use with the T-drive rotors, and holy God, that makes me excited. So Teens is helping. Look at her. She's over here helping. They're putting double-sided tape on the new matte frame covers, and we'll get these puppies installed, and we can finally put this bike back together. And my next build series bike is on its way to the shop, guys. 2 weeks.
Is it a Ducati?
It's not a Ducati. Stay tuned. Alright, so we had some fitment issues, so he's actually gonna trim this a little bit so that it will sit on there flush. So it's back to the dentist's office for Brian. Alright, so now we got it actually is touching in all the areas. He's gonna double up some tape down in this area to make sure it stays on there, but now it fits and it looks really nice. I actually really like the matte. When we put all this bike back together, it's all gonna make sense. Just wait, guys. Guys, so people keep asking me about my own personal bike. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go and follow my Instagram account, because I've been posting all about the newest bikes coming out. This one right here is one of my favorites, MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR. Look at that bike, guys. Oh my sweet mother, Mary and Joseph. Look at that dash. I'll tell you what, guys, looks wise, I think it looks better than the Ducati Street Fighter. Performance wise, that's yet to be tested. All right, test fitting this side right now. What do we think?
We're gonna have to put a little bit more, a couple spots. But
that's the beauty of using Gorilla Tape. People always ask us why we use Gorilla Tape instead of silicone. It's because this never fits perfectly, and then you can make sure that it fits perfect so you don't have like parts that are like moving and shit like that. So I love it. All right, we got the swing arm cover on. I'm still sick, guys, I apologize.
It's a motorcycle?
This is a motorcycle. No, I like it. I like it because now it shows off the other glossy carbon a lot better, the Illenberger stuff. And then, like I said, once the paint scheme's all together, it's gonna really let the paint scheme shine. So let's finish up the other side. Putting that beautiful exhaust back on. Man, I can't wait to ride this bike again. See, it's cool because now you just don't even notice that. That's what I want. I wanted it to just disappear. And it's doing exactly what I wanted. Unlike my girlfriend, who doesn't do anything that I want her to do. All right, fitting the left-hand side swing arm cover. Maybe. Oh, it's broken. Just kidding. No, I like it a lot. You can see over here how much it really just disappears once the exhaust's on there. Look at that. That's what I wanted it to do. Just disappear. Don't you think, teens? She digs it. If a girl digs it, you're good. That's all we wanted. We just do everything in life to impress women, let's be honest. All right, gloss piece coming off. Bye-bye. So in order to do the carbon clutch cover, we have to remove this big honking monstrosity, which is probably gonna save us some weight as well. So while Bri is doing his thing, I'm gonna go ahead and do some wrenching for once. These are barely tightened down. Like, holy crap. Watch this. That's how hard it was. I know I work out a lot, so maybe that's part of it. I see Brian struggling with these bolts a lot. Alright, let's see what it looks like under here. Moment of truth. Oh, that's actually pretty sick looking. I like it. Now that'll go right there. Yeah, that's him. Good job, teens.
I did it.
Done. Alright, step number 2, stator cover. Mainly for noise, Rory was telling me, and Brian. I like things as loud as possible, and so do my neighbors. So, we're gonna remove it and save some more weight. Look at how long these freaking bolts are. Dear God. Once again, you see the padding in there? So I think we're gonna probably have to put the bolts back in, and then we can put the cover over top. All right, so you just use silicone to attach this one since double-sided tape's not gonna make sense in this application. I like that a lot. That looks really good. Wait until we see the freaking, did you get that one over there?
Yeah.
How does it attach? So do you leave these screws out, or is there something?
No, we'll have to put screws
We'll
in.
find some screws to put in there. Look at that. That's freaking cool looking. Saving weight too. I bet we saved another pound or two right there on the 2 case covers, and we got louder too. All right, so Brian's putting. I think he just put the last screw back in there. The stator cover is on. Looks fantastic. Next, Brian is gonna, I think, put this bike back together, but teens and I are not gonna stay for that. We're gonna go rest, take some medicine, try not to shoot ourselves in the face. And then I'll just come back a little bit later once he has the bike back together, and we'll show you what it looks like and take some pictures and everything like that, so stay tuned. All right guys, here we go. The bike is finally back together, and holy shit, it looks incredible. I'm on the fence about the gloss versus matte. I think honestly either one would work, and I just think it just looks so freaking cool. What do you think? No, well, I like either one, yeah, but I think this looks better than the gloss.
You like this more than the gloss?
Yeah.
The gloss warps.
Warps the light, yeah. I mean, I think the glossy matched a little bit better, but I didn't like how the light bounced off that gloss piece here. Yeah, it made it look warped and weird. So I think this looks a lot cleaner. Like, look at that right there, guys. Finally putting a license plate on. After 4 months, we got a license plate.
Yeah, finally.
Brian, what do you think of it?
I like it. I think it came out really nice.
Yeah, overall the bike looks incredible. There was a customer dropping off one of their bikes here, and he was freaking out over it. Oh, and this is the first time you guys see the tail section too. Look at that. I think this is my favorite painted piece on the whole bike. What do you think, Brian?
I like it.
Yeah, it looks like that old school Batman car vibe, you know? And again, this is all painted on. Nothing is, no stickers on the whole bike, except for maybe the Acura sticker here on the, but yeah, I mean, it's just the chain adjusters are on. Brian put those on. He wiped this whole thing down. The carbon case covers look amazing. He even finished up the Brembo Master cylinder, the RCS. It just looks so freaking good. You got the other Brembo lever on. I mean, the bike just looks, it just looks insane, guys. You just don't see a Tuono like this ever. So I'm really, really happy with this. So we're aiming, guys, to choose a winner for this bike December 7th here at the Ducati shop. That's right now the estimate. We have a few more episodes to finish, and then this bike is literally done. So if you guys want to be entered to win this bike, help support these projects, check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. I think that's going to do it for this one. In the next episode, I will show you guys me riding this bike. We're going to be putting a custom seat cover on it along with some crash protection, and I can't wait to try out these brakes and everything else that's on this bike because I haven't ridden it for so long. God, it just looks so good. Brian put so much hard work into this thing, and we're so thankful for his help, and I am just blown away. The brake setup is just out of control. Like, this thing is incredible, man. So anyway, I think that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, subscribe, and again, if you want to enter to win the bike, check out the Patreon page. Teens, final thoughts? She's sick as hell. She's sick as hell. But yeah, she loves it. We all love it. Everyone here loves it. Yeah, it looks so good.
So beautiful.
It looks so good. It's gonna look really good with the seat cover on it too. But yeah, that's gonna do it. We'll catch you guys in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed.